Welcome back everyone, Mariah here, and in today's video we're going to be going over the price of Bitcoin, what happened overnight, and where I see it going in the short term. It is Monday, January 18th, and it is 11:41 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time. So let's get into it. Bitcoin's been in this tightening range, just doing a lot of sideways trading. We saw a lot of money go into alts. We saw Link reach new all-time highs yesterday. DOT's been on fire. XTZ is doing pretty good. So let's go and start the daily chart, and then we're gonna work our way backwards. So you can see here that this moving average is really holding up the price really well. I mean, it's touched 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the last week or so. And so the daily is giving us some information. I mean, in my opinion, if I had money on the sidelines, I'd be buying every time it touched this moving average. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 12-hour chart. So the 12-hour chart isn't looking all that bad. So, we made a higher low here, and I think that we're probably going to get a few more candles on the downside, and then it'll be interesting to see after that if we can make a new higher high to have that 12-hour turn bullish. As far as the 4-hour looks, the 4-hour it's kind of on the more neutral side. It'll be interesting to see what happens next if we get a higher high. So if we go above, let's see here, the high of this candle is 37,948. So in the next, 4 to 6 candles, if we can see Bitcoin go above that, that'll be extremely bullish for the 4-hour time frame. It would be definitely bearish if we go below this candle and make a lower low, and the low of this candle is 33,860. But as you can see, Bitcoin just continues to trade sideways after making the all-time high of approximately 42,000. So in this range between ultimately 42 and then the low, which was about 30,000. But the 1-hour chart is what's looking pretty good in my opinion. It's definitely looking quite bullish. So making a higher high, and hopefully we're gonna see a higher low over here. Hopefully we can hold this support of 35,723. This is a 9 candle, so I'm expecting a bit of a pullback, and then hopefully up to make a higher high, which would send us above the $37,402 range. Let's go and look at some shorter time frames. The 3-hour, the 30-minute. 30 minutes actually looking really good, being supported by this moving average and making, in this case, a higher low. Let's look at the 15-minute. Oh yeah, this is looking really nice as well. So hopefully we see a bounce here and make a higher high, which would send the price of Bitcoin above 37,402. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. 5-minute is in a downtrend as well, but being held up nicely by this moving average. And then the 1-minute is in a bit of a downtrend as well. So honestly, what I'm expecting, I'm kind of going off of this 1-hour chart. I think this is going to be a good guidance. I think that we're going to see about 35,720. That'll probably be a really good area to start to place buy orders. And then I see after that Bitcoin going up and making a new higher high. So that's kind of what I see happening in the short term when it comes to Bitcoin. I'm also going to be having another video coming out either today or tomorrow, and what I'm going to be doing is taking a look at the previous bull run in the bull market back in 2017 and basically checking to see, like, when Bitcoin made a new all-time high, what was like the average amount of days that it took to reach a new all-time high. So in some cases it took over 30 days, but I'm going to be getting into the details then, just so you could see, like, we might be in one of those current phases with where Bitcoin's at now, where, we might see a new all-time high in approximately 30 days. But like I said, don't forget to subscribe and check out the links down below to get yourself some free Bitcoin on Gemini, on Coinbase, free stocks on WeBull and Robinhood. And as always, go out there and create a portfolio that you love.